Oh my goodness. Okay, my YouTube family and friends, my powerful family, good morning. Is it morning? It's afternoon. Good afternoon to you guys. Good afternoon. Just a quick drop in to say howdy. Tired today. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. It's crazy. But give a quiz today and have my group coming back in a little bit. So today I covered during my prep. I didn't get a prep time, so I've been running. And then I had lunch, and then I had my prep because we get 2 preps. So I I covered during my regular prep. I know this would have been my second prep. So now I take this time now for myself now. So just wanted to jump in and say howdy, guys. Last time we did the little we did the I went live last night. Thank you for those of you who joined. Made it a success. It was just chaotic, but I found out what the problem was, my friends. All of you who joined and all that chaos. I couldn't open the schedule thing. But guess what happened? When I created the schedule, it was on the desktop in the living room. So that's what I should have done. I should have gone back there and open it and then go downstairs and go live on the phone. Continued on the phone. So that's why I couldn't find it in the phone and I couldn't find it on the laptop because I had created it on the desktop upstairs. So thanks for being patient. Thanks for returning when I had to start over. But I got some feedback this earlier today that they liked it. It was, necessary information because a lot of people going through these things and have no idea why this is happening or that is happening and not realizing that it is connected. I see how you go through it and then you can, you go through things in life and then you can see as the changes come how it makes sense. So it's not forever. Menopause is not forever, guys. It's a phase. And as I say, if your body is healthy, it's going to be a natural thing that happens. So just when it comes, just embrace it and keep moving. I remember one day I went in the bank, and when I went to the bank, it's like everybody was so nice and calm and no sweating, and it wasn't even a hot day. And I was in there just like, I was so wet. And I'm looking and I said, I thought I heard somewhere, because I'm not a drinker, but I think I heard somewhere where somebody had said that people who drinks alcohol, they sweat a lot. And I was feeling embarrassed by then because my face was wet. And I'm looking at everybody. I said, what's wrong with me? And that time it was just the process. My body was going through that process. I remember also when I went to school and I was wearing the suits, then I button up, and my God, I always had to put a thing in my bra because I would wet so much. Sometimes the kids look at on the right here in my chest. It is so wet. It is so wet. And it was just my body going through its changes. I remember sometimes I get home and when you take the padding out, when you squeeze it like this, water just like, I stand and I lean over and I could just feel, if I go home and I'm comfortable, no bra, I could just feel the water dripping. And now I look at that time until now. Now I'm wearing dresses. I'm wearing nothing. No wet marks, no nothing, no sweat. I can, if I walk a lot, then yeah, I sweat, but I'm not just sweating profusely, like just sweating when everybody else is calm and dry. So it is a phase, and you go through it. And I didn't know much about it. I didn't read up about it until I was talking to my doctor. It says you know, this stomach, where did it come from? I never had a stomach. And he says, it's part of the package. So I look back at it and I'm happy now. You know, I experienced it. I didn't take hormonal treatments. I didn't take anything. I just went through the process. And as I said, you know, we make changes in the home. So I've gone through my process without getting angry and bitter and frustrated over everything. The kids understood. We laugh at things and we go on. So just make it like that, guys. Don't make it become a noose around your neck. Don't lose good relationships because of this process. Don't give up on your relationships. Don't treat your wives indifferently. Don't become impatient with them. Don't leave your marriage because of the menopausal phase. Don't do that. You have a good relationship. Embrace it. Give her time to go through her thing. And she's still there. The kind person is still there. The loving person is still there. The respectful person is still there. It's just a process that you have to go through. So don't ruin your good marriage that you work hard to build and all the things that you work hard to build together. Don't lose it because of this process, this thing. It's not a disorder. It's not a disease. It is a natural thing that a healthy body goes through. Some they go through it because of surgeries, because they have to do hysterectomies. So we understand. But still, don't ever give up on a good relationship because of these things. Because wherever you run to, there's never better. People, sometimes they will like you and smile with you because of what you're bringing into them. But it's not what you're going to get out of it. So please remember, if you find a good person who is respectful and kind and loving, because loving is not just sexual loving, but loving is being patient. Loving is the holding of the hand, it's the laughter, it's all those things. And so enjoy it. Help your partner to go through it. And it does get over. It does get to the point where there's no more wet marks. There's no more night sweats, towels on your pillows, and, you know, it does pass. So I just want to leave a word with us, guys, and this is from Ellen G. This is from my girl, Maya Angelou, my favorite poet, and this was a gift given to me by someone like in 2000, way back, like 2009 or 10. But I like it. It's just something that you could put on your desk. And each day you could just flip it. And you can read a powerful word. So I keep it on my desk here. Hope has conspired with the wind and blown away the demons of despair. That's Maya Angelou. She says, I long, as does every human being, to be at home wherever I find myself. So when you find yourself at home, guys, make it be the best that there is. The happy heart runs with the river, floats on the air, lifts to the music, soars with the eagle, and hopes with the prayer. I love her words. They're so uplifting. Loneliness can be so real. It can feel like sand in the palm of your hand. That's loneliness. Oftentimes we spend precious hours fearing the inevitable. It would be wise, though, to use that time adoring our families, cherishing our friends, and living our lives. So those are the words I'm leaving with you today, guys. Spend precious hours not fearing the inevitable, but instead using it to adore our families, cherishing our friends, and just live your life. If your life is a quiet, simple one, live it. If your life is a loud one, live it. Just make sure as you live it, you're not hurting anyone, and you are encouraging and empowering someone. Have a great day by choice, my friends. In 5 minutes, the kids will be here and I'll continue on. Then I have one more class and then I'll get to go home and maybe fall asleep because I'm so tired. And I slept through the night. I went to bed about 11:30, but I slept through the night. But I'm tired today. Blessings, my people. Blessings, blessings, my family. Blessings, my members. Special shout out to each and every one of you. And all of you, just stay well and stay focused, stay positive, stay uplifted. Miss Bev signing off.